Boom shakalaka. The last time this happened, it was only a matter of time before Bitcoin price took off, and why these current prices are not likely to hang around for long. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we're taking a look at a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including why Bitcoin price is likely to take off in the near future and why the current prices are unlikely to hang around. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Come join us on Twitter at @TheCryptoLove. Push that like button. Now, today, fear and greed at 29, up from earlier in this week, same levels as we were last week, not as high as we were the week before. The overall market down just a touch. Bitcoin is 16,800, Ethereum at 1229, BNB at 283, XRP 37 cents, Dogecoin 9 cents, Cardano 30 cents, and Polygon 88 cents. Bitcoin still within this descending wedge, right now falling back to the 20-day moving average, this orange line right here. We'll see how this progresses. But one thing we're seeing right now with Bitcoin is over the last 30 days, over the last month, 200,000 Bitcoin worth, or $3.4 billion of Bitcoin have been moved off exchanges. The great exodus. People right now very scared of things like FTX. Or could this also be a sign of things to come? If you take a look down here, when there were massive exoduses of Bitcoin from exchanges, this was right before a massive run-up in Bitcoin price when everybody sold and took the top. Now, that being said, the overall market right now is in panic. We are officially in panic mode. This level has seen exceptional market returns in 6 to 12 month periods since 1990. Now, this is in stocks, but if we take a look, every time panic mode was in the same area where we are right now, preceded a massive rally. So, same would likely happen this time. Bitcoin right now repeating what it did in the 2013 peak, where basically we had finding support at the 2013 peak before taking off on a massive rally. Well, right now we're at the same levels for the 2017 peak, about to take a massive rally. Similarly, very oversold RSI at the same time back there. As a matter of fact, Bitcoin believers, the accumulation trend score, have leveled up their accumulation game. We're now in a deep value zone. Value zone, value zone, value zone, value zone. Well, right now we are once again in value zone. The market momentum detector station is showing upward momentum. Right now, Bitcoin is waiting to break this trend line right here, right around early $17,000-ish range. Also waiting to break this RSI. The stochastic is gaining momentum. The MACD is gaining momentum. Everything is looking like Bitcoin is gaining upward momentum. As a matter of fact, if we take a look at the stock RSI compared with Bitcoin, very similar moves to 2021 before we saw a very near parabolic rise in Bitcoin price from about $28,000 to about $68,000 right here. We saw oversold stock RSI, same thing we're seeing now, bouncing around a Bitcoin price in a descending wedge pattern. Once it broke out of there, that was basically what sealed the deal. Now this here, the KST indicator, one of the easiest long-term strategies for buying and selling Bitcoin. Each time it hammers the top, it also hammers the bottom. Hammers the top, hammers the bottom. Top, and the indicator has not yet crossed, but very, very close. And after it does, the new bull market for Bitcoin begins. And I would say this is even a lagging indicator because clearly the bottom was already in both of these cases when it showed before. We have a similar falling wedge in Bitcoin price that we saw in 2011, 2015, 2019, and 2022, each time breaking out of here, leading to parabolic gains in Bitcoin price. And even if we take from former support, that becomes the top of the next peak. That has happened time and time again, this time predicting a $170,000 peak by roughly 2025. That's pretty darn exciting because right now, things are looking good for Bitcoin. I know it seems like maybe they're not because everybody's scared of everything and whatnot, but if we take a look at the charts, we have a very clear bullish divergence. Price is going down, RSI is going up. The last time we had a bullish divergence like this, Bitcoin price went from 28,000 to 68,000 over the course of a few months. And guys, the prices where Bitcoin is right now are not likely to hang around for very long. Bitcoin is still below the realized price, $20,000, and the 2-year realized price, $33,000, and short-term holder price, $18,000. Historically, this situation does not last long. We can only see for a couple months in Bitcoin's history has it actually been in these levels, and it is there right now. And these are the generational opportunities when people are kicking themselves for not buying Bitcoin at better prices. So that's all for today's episode. If you did enjoy it, push that like button. I will catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.